Okay, guys, we're talking about the 10 keys to dropping pieces, and the key I want to talk to you about is key number two. Key number two very simply says, have a goal for the day. And what I want to say to you before I get into the bullet points under this section is, hope is not a strategy. Okay, so bullet point number one clearly says, setting goals and then doing everything in your power to achieve them is how you unlock your dream in this business. Guys, if you don't have a goal, you're going to wander around aimlessly and you're going to have nothing that drives you every single day to get to the bigger prize, which is unlocking your dream. So have a goal and set a goal every single day and do everything in your power to achieve them. The second point is ensure your daily goals link back to your weekly or monthly earnings goals. Very important. So what we're talking about here is, obviously, you'll have a dream that you're going after, which is a big, big goal. And to get to that goal, you need to have smaller goals along the way, which link back to the weekly or monthly earnings goals. Because how you unlock your dream ultimately in this business is you need to make money along the way. So make sure that you have a daily goal, which then links back to the weekly goal. And then that links back to your monthly goal, which will ultimately get you to the earnings you want, which will get you one step closer to unlocking your dream. The third bullet point is break your day down into smaller goals. So it's great to have a daily goal, but make sure that you break that down even further into smaller goals for the day. Example, set a goal to pitch 20 people before you take a break. You don't have to take a break when everybody else is taking a break. Make sure that you set yourself a goal and you'll feel like you've achieved a lot more when you do go on your break or you do take a break in the field, knowing that you've already achieved a smaller stepping point to the bigger goal for your day. Bullet point number 4, keep pushing hard even if you hit your daily goal. What I know about this business is a lot of people relax once they've hit their goal. And in this business, you get different types of days. You might have an early day, you might have a steady day, or you might have a late day. If you have an early day, which basically means you've hit your goal for the day by 12 o'clock already, don't sit back and relax for the rest of the day. Make sure you keep pushing so that you can get ahead for the next day and for the week and for the month. Next, if you miss your daily goal, and this happens often in our business because we know some days will be tougher than others, just make sure you catch up the next day. Very, very simply, don't give up on the goal. Just change the plan, have a strategy in terms of what you are going to do to catch up the next day and adjust the next day's goal to make sure you make up for the day that you missed your goal. And then last but by no means least, guys, use your dream to help you keep focused on the goal. I spoke about this a little bit earlier. So ultimately, in this business, if you want to be successful, you need a dream. And your goals will help you stay focused on the dream. But if you don't have goals, you will never be focused on anything. The biggest pitfall people fall into in this business is just going through the motions. Do not allow yourself to fall into that pitfall. Make sure you've got a clear goal. You know what you need to achieve on a daily basis, and I promise you, you will end up unlocking your dream.